Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everybody. How's everything with you today? Siang
I'm fine,
semua,
sir.
sehat-sehat semua ya. Well, last week we had about 3 participants or 3 presenters who have presented their own business plan. Now we are still working on the individual presentation. Kita masih mencoba untuk latihan presentasi ya, secara oral ya. Nanti kita akan coba persilahkan penyaji berikutnya atau presenters berikutnya. Ini ada Ibnu Musa dan Losro. Dan nanti Bapak akan juga tentukan siapa presenter berikutnya ya setelah presenter yang tampil hari ini ya. Okay, will be very pleasure to welcome Mr. Ibnu Musa. Waduh, ini kayak udah international seminar aja nih. Oke ya, will be very welcome to Mr. Ibnu Musa. Present your materials. Okay, I will make you host. Wait a moment, please. It's done, Mr. Ibnu Musa. Time's yours.
Udah kelihatan belum?
Yeah, we can see clearly.
Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Muhammad Ibnu Musa Al-Khwarizmi, and I'm a fashionista. So, what is fashion in here? Fashion is a form of self-expression and autonomy of particular period and place in a specific context of clothing, footwear, lifestyle, accessories, makeup, hairstyle, and body posture from Wikipedia. But in my fashion is their way of expressing themselves to the people. So now we found the keyword is here. Fashion is expression. Fashion is your expression to the public or to the people. And now, that's why I make this. Eldian. What is Eldian? Eldian is a clothing business for young men or young people, a young woman who want to try to find their own style with a cheap price. And if you're a teenager and you not much really have money, maybe Eldian is an answer. So go to next with vision and mission. My vision is I want to give some impact to Indonesian fashion knowledge to change their mindset, because fashion is just not an wearing jacket and hoodie or t-shirt like that. And you can mix or match, and fashion is bigger than beautiful and that, what you think. And how I reach my vision or my goals, I will make a clothes with any type of style. However, that's a casual, street, skater, vintage, retro, anything with a simple design with solid color and comfort material. And next is the idea of designing. Idea of designing is a simple but not simpler. What is meaning of simple but not simpler? Simple but not simpler is simple from look outside, and if you look to the inside, it's not really simple. We have a simple design, we have a comfort material, we have a solid color. And the next thing is go to men's section. We have already with 6 parts. From start with the t-shirt, shirt, hoodie, crew neck, and vest, and we have available too with the prime section, shoe or blazer from men. And the next thing is color, the basic color, color. The basic color we start from white, like gray, dark gray, black, and the main color we start from navy, maroon, brown, or anything like that. I choose that color because I want to give your impression if you using my brand looks like calmly and manly. And size chart, we start from XS until XL, so complete, right? And next is the woman section with Sam. We have already with the 6 part in here. The start from the t-shirt, shirt, hoodie, sweater, and we change the vest with a blouse, and we change the prime section with a dress. Why I choose dress? Because I think if you go to event like a wedding or party, suit or blazer will be matched or couple with a dress, right? And the next thing is the color for moment section. I will start from white, like gray, same with basic color, and I will change the main color with a pastel color, because if you're using my brand, I want to give your impression looks like a good girl or a soft girl, like that. I choose a pastel color in that. And for the size chart, I'm really still available until from XS until XL. And what strategy do I use for my brand? I have 3 points in here. The first thing is limited impression. Let's make this clear. My brand is not limited edition, but I want to make it like limited impression. For example, if I make a white t-shirt, I don't want to make with many pieces. I just want to make for 300 or 100 for still limited impression. After that, and I get so many requests to restock it, I will start to restock it, but still with not with many pieces. And the next thing is the collaboration. Collaboration is a good way, or if you want to grow your customer, or if you want to grow your followers. For example, Jujutsu Kaisen X Uniqlo. And this situation, Jujutsu Kaisen X Uniqlo is a big impact to Indonesian fashion. For example, Jakarta Uniqlo sold out, Tangerang Uniqlo sold out, Yogyakarta Uniqlo sold out. And this situation is not just an impact for Indonesia, in another country like America or Japan sold out too. And that's a good way if you want to collaboration. The next thing is a giveaway. Giveaway is just a fun section. Who not happy if that get a product for free, right? Don't worry, if not, will be make me lost because it's just like a barter. If you follow my rules, I will give you product for free, right? That's a fun section. But if you win, if you not win, maybe you can win in another event or another section like that. And now is how do I promote my brand? I have 3 options in here. The first thing is online and offline. The premier option is online because I will use anything on social media like Instagram, e-commerce like Tokopedia, Shopee, Lazada, or WhatsApp, and anything like that. Because I think now technology have a big progress and you must using it to promote your brand and you're growing your brand. And I can promote from a network artist and celebrity artist to with a huge followers to make my brands known to the people. And yeah, maybe you have still endorsement, right? I will still using it to promote my brand. And the next thing is offline. Offline is not a good option for me or primary option for me because I think the teenager will prefer buying something from online. I'm a teenager, you're the teenager, and you will prefer buying something from online, okay? Because you just lay down and turn on your phone and go to Shopee, Lazada, or Tokopedia, tap, and boom. The next day, the courier will be arrive on your home and like say, packet, so easy, right? But I still open one offline market. Maybe I will rent for 1 year on 6 months, I guess. If they have good progress or still good progress, maybe I can buy that building for my own way, I guess. And yeah, thank you. But I want to say, if you're looking a cloth with a simple design and cheap price, LD is answer because simple is not simpler. Eldian. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That was amazed me, man.
Ini gimana?
That was amazed.
Thank you, sir.
I'm speechless.
Oh, so nervous.
No, you look more confident, man. You look more confident. The way how you elaborate your ideas, elaborate your information in your content designs, very beautiful.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
following you. Wonderful. That's why I couldn't say anything. I'm speechless.
Oh, shit.
Ini
Thank
Ibnu
you,
Musa
sir.
yang kedua nih. Ada mahasiswa lagi, mahasiswa Bapak yang dari kelas manajemen kalau nggak salah. Nah, ini udah Bapak ini nih apa catat ini. Manajemen A berapa kemarin? Oh iya, manajemen A3. Nah, ini Bapak dapat lagi manajemen A1 nih. Nah, ini satu waktu nanti Bapak pengen ngedrill nih ya. Masuk nih, nanti mungkin ada kandidat-kandidat lain deh ya, dari teman kelas kita atau dari teman kelas yang manajemen A1. Nah, ini kan karena nanti Bapak akan coba sampaikan, Bapak laporkan ke fakultas bahwa Fakultas Ekonomi itu punya mahasiswa-mahasiswa yang brilian, punya mahasiswa yang memang tidak bisa dianggap remeh potensinya gitu. Karena satu waktu biasanya nanti ada ajang international seminar atau apa namanya ajang lomba bahasa gitu kan ya. Itu Bapak bisa apa namanya rekomen ini ya, termasuk Musa ini Bapak bisa rekomen ini ya.
Jangan,
Nanti
Pak.
juga
Jangan, Pak.
ada dari kelas yang lain juga ada. Itu bisa Bapak rekomen nanti ke fakultas. Nih, gue punya mahasiswa nih. Nah, gitu tuh. Bangga dong ya, teman-teman ya. Gitu kan. Harus bangga.
Iya, Pak.
Nah, satu waktu itu nanti pasti ada ya. Nah, tapi yang penting makanya ini kenapa Bapak record kemudian Bapak apa namanya Bapak persilahkan teman-teman untuk tampil. Nah, tujuan Bapak adalah memang satu ya mengasah kemampuan kita, mengasah percaya diri kita gitu kan. Dan yang kedua memang ini untuk bekal sebetulnya unconsciously I try to drill you. I try to drill you because you're going to have or you're going to face the real work situations after you graduate your studies. Ini Bapak sedang ngedrill teman-teman nih, gitu kan, sedang membekali teman-teman. Karena satu waktu nanti setelah teman-teman selesai, ya studi S1 teman-teman itu akan menghadapi real work situation, situasi pekerjaan yang sebenarnya seperti itu. And someday, ya, you'll be asked to be able to present your own materials, ya, in your official meetings, gitu kan. Pasti satu waktu juga akan teman-teman menemui di mana teman-teman diminta ya atau ditugaskan untuk presentasi ya kan, betul nggak Ibnu? Ya kan? Nah, dalam satu usaha satu industri itu pasti ada yang begitu Alisa. Nah disinilah nih ya tempatnya kita untuk latihan ya, jangan merasa duh gua minder nih belum bisa ini belum bisa itu, jangan minder, sama Bapak belajar bareng-bareng toh nggak pernah Bapak salahin kan, kemarin Bapak nggak salahin, Bapak bahkan Bapak support kan ya Ibnu Musa ya, bahkan Bapak berikan feedback, Bapak support untuk ayo bisa kok gitu ya. Nah, yang penting kita sudah disiapkan materinya dan kita sedikit bisa latihan gitu kan sebelum tampil, itu Bapak akan appreciate gitu. Anyway, I'm going to give you some feedbacks, especially addressed to Mr. Ibnu Musa. Oh, ini tadi Bapak untuk mempersilakannya juga seperti international seminar ya. Tadi mempersilakan seperti international seminar. Ternyata pembicaranya memang benar-benar di international seminar ini.
Belum, Pak.
Nah, ini the next generations of Imam Fauzi nanti, ini generasi berikutnya nanti dari Imam Fauzi ini. Anyway, I'm going to give you some feedbacks, Ibnu. Please, maybe you can make some record. Ya. Nah, tadi sebenarnya apa namanya, the entire works, ya, or the entire things that you already presented was very well organized. Semua hal yang sudah disampaikan itu sebenarnya sudah well organized, sudah mantap, sudah cakep banget. Ya, kemudian excellent intronya sudah excellent tadi itu ya, dimana tadi Ibu sudah menyampaikan ya, you try to explain your business plans very clearly ya, at the beginning of your presentation. Jadi di awal presentasi itu sudah menyampaikan jelas banget gitu ya, gue punya bisnis plan nih, apa namanya ini gitu kan, bergerak dalam bidang apa ya, menjual ini ya, apa fashion ya. Ini mudah-mudahan bisa jadi bos fashion nanti Ibnu Musa ini ya.
Amin.
Ya, ini nanti Ramayana MOS ini nanti bakal kalah lah insya Allah sama Ibnu Musa nanti ya. Karena dia
kan collaboration, Pak.
Ya, boleh, siap ya. CEO-nya baju kalangan muda sekarang yang mengikuti tren itu adalah Ibnu Musa nanti ya. Ini doa loh, mudah-mudahan ini doa nih teman-teman.
Amin,
Ayo
Pak,
mari kita aminkan buat Ibnu Musa, karena kalau misalkan kita punya teman sukses kan gampang kan minta bajunya kan. No, gua nggak punya baju nih yang baru gitu kan. Tenang, di diskon sama Ibnu kan gitu ya. Oke. Nah, material designs in your PowerPoint template was extremely interesting. Jadi materinya sudah didesain di dalam PowerPoint template-nya itu sangat-sangat menarik sekali. Jadi makanya Bapak menyimak banget, keren nih anak gitu loh. Ya, bagaimana? Ini kayaknya Ibnu sering nonton YouTube Bapak nih ya, menyimak Bapak bagaimana presentasi, menyampaikan informasi dari A, B, C dan sampai Z ya. Sepertinya begitu ya.
Lumayan, Pak.
Oke, lumayan. Berarti YouTube Bapak bisa bermanfaat ya buat teman-teman ya. Alhamdulillah ya. Nah, itu ada konten khusus tuh Ibnu dan teman-teman semua. Ada konten khusus ya menjelaskan tentang how can we do a good presentation in English. Ada deh kalau nggak salah. Ada yang pernah sudah buka belum? Ada yang sudah pernah menyimak belum? Ada? Belum? Nah, kalau belum nanti boleh Bapak share deh. ya. Atau boleh dicari di YouTube Bapak, di situ ada how can we do a good presentation, bagaimana kita melakukan presentasi dalam bahasa Inggris dengan baik. Ada tips-tipsnya di situ Bapak jelaskan. Gitu. Silakan disimak nanti ya sambil belajar. Bekal nanti kita ke depan. Tidak hanya sebagai mahasiswa nanti, tapi juga bisa sebagai CEO mungkin, sebagai manajer mungkin, sebagai direktur mungkin. Minimal lah Bapak berdoain jadi manajer semuanya. Minimal. Oke. Nah, berikutnya information deliver very systematically and in details. Senang banget tadi Bapak tadi informasinya itu disampaikan secara sistematis dan details banget itu. Ya, details banget. Jadi per apa namanya? For each idea itu ya, you try to deliver in details gitu. Setiap potongan ide itu dijabarkan secara detail tadi itu. Makanya Bapak dengernya, wah, luar biasa. Oke, siap gitu. Lanjut. The way how you elaborate your ideas, was very wonderful, man. Guys, lupa Bapak, give applause one more time for Mr. Ibnu Musa. Waduh.
Thank you.
Ya, berikutnya ini catatan Bapak lagi, ada apa lagi? Oh ya, tadi in-depth promotion strategy analysis ya, atau in-depth promotions analysis. Analisisnya tadi sudah bagus ya. Ya, dia punya strategi promosi ya, dibagi menjadi 2 komponen ya, ada offline dan ada online. Kalau offline tuh ngapain aja gitu ya, Ibnu ya. Kalau online gua ngapain aja gitu. Tadi sudah dijelaskan secara clear. Wonderful. Oh my God, we have got 5 minutes remain. Kita punya 5 menit di sisanya. Kita masih ada Losro dan yang lainnya. Bagaimana kalau kita ini biarkan off dulu ya teman-teman. Oke, sebentar Bapak coba take off ini dulu ya, apa namanya, recordingnya. Ya, Bapak turn off dulu recording. Nanti kita akan coba mulai lagi ya teman-teman. Because we have got 5 minutes remain. Kita punya